Welcome back, and today, well, we got a little issue. That thing is cracked all the way down through there and on this side as well, right through here. So yeah, we gotta get this thing in here, clean it up, weld that up, and hopefully get them back going. Let's get to it. What we're gonna do is I'm gonna hit this with a wire brush, clean it up, and then we'll take a look at it then and see what we've got. All right, so if you can tell, although you may be, all right, so let me get the flashlight on. Let me blind you. But as you can see, that thing's cracked there, and down in this bottom, you can see that lip there. It's cracked all the way down. Even wrapping around a little bit. So, hard to see with the light. Maybe better without the light. But yeah. Now we still have the whole other side we got to clean off as well, so. This thing is cracked there, all the way around and up to here. Now down here in the bottom, let me spin this thing around real quick. Down here in the bottom, so I can get you to focus, this thing is cracked right in here, from here. It's like from here around, all the way around to about here. Very hard to pick that up on camera. And then we are good on this side with a crack starting to form right here though, from here and around. And then the worst side of them all, cracked all the way from right around this corner down, up here, down here, all the way through. All right, so the first part of this side here ends up having a crack all the way through this, and it's actually pulled up a little bit here. So what I'm gonna do is try to clamp this thing down and get me some good tacks here on here. And then what I'll do is kind of groove those two sections out there, weld those up. I'm gonna weld the other parts up. You gotta look, this is a lot of force. There's a lot of vibration that goes on in this thing. Which I'll say, the welds, you know, all the welds just didn't fail, but it did fail in this upper pieces, you know, quite a bit failed there. The actual bottom plate, you know, unfortunately over time some of this stuff happens, but we'll get them taken care of. So we just got a tack. Just want to do that to kind of help hold it where it's at, where I can V it out real good, especially in this this plate area. Now reclamp it or re-weld it. So for this, I'm actually using 3/8 rod, and I'm sure some of you will tell me I'm doing it wrong, but hey, is what it is. All right, outside is done. I'm gonna flip it over and weld the inside, or some of the inside at least. All right, so as you can see, should be able to see, there is the crack from the inside running right through there. And you also see this corner here. Not sure if you see this side from the way the light is, but right there's a crack as well. So now I'm going to V this bottom part out here, re-weld it up, and then weld this inside, and we're done. That's a wrap. So she ain't pretty, but she gets the job done. Welded inside and out. The cracks through here that I welded up. This is all the same stuff on the outside that I welded. Over here we had some more going all the way down. There's the outside of this part. So